Leveraging Pinterest for your business and brand is a great SEO move and can help drive traffic to your blog, website, or e-commerce store. And of course, Pinterest is all about visual interest. With Simplified, you can customize our professionally designed templates to be able to create Pinterest video pins that grab the attention of your followers and drive traffic to your website. Just select a template, make any adjustments, and then schedule your video pin directly to Pinterest by clicking this export button and then selecting share on social. You can select your Pinterest account from your accounts up here at the top, write in your caption, and then title it, add the link that you would like to send your followers to, and then put in some keywords for your alternate text. Once you're finished, you can choose to save it as a draft or schedule it directly to Pinterest. Simplified has everything you need to manage all your social media from just one tool. To start simplifying your social, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.